The future of smartwatches is here with the
The future of smartwatches is here with
Samsung
the
Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. And honestly, this beast is built for people who want power, style, and next-level technology right on their wrist. Samsung has pushed wearable innovation to a whole new level. In 2027, making the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 one of the most exciting premium smartwatches ever created. At first glance, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 looks incredibly futuristic. The titanium body gives it a rugged yet luxury feel, while the curved AMOLED display delivers ultra-bright colors and crystal-clear visuals even under direct sunlight. Samsung has reduced the bezels even further, making the screen look almost borderless. Whether you're checking notifications, tracking workouts, or watching animations, everything feels smooth thanks to the super-fast 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Performance is where this smartwatch truly shines. Powered by Samsung's latest ultra-efficient wearable chipset, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 feels lightning fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and the improved AI assistant responds faster than ever before. Samsung has also introduced advanced Galaxy AI features that can summarize notifications, suggest quick replies, and even monitor your stress levels in real time. Fitness lovers are going to love this device. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 comes packed with advanced health tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, sleep analysis, ECG support, hydration reminders, and a next-generation body composition scanner. Samsung has also added enhanced workout modes for runners, cyclists, swimmers, and gym users. The GPS accuracy is incredibly precise, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and fitness tracking. Battery life has received a massive upgrade too. Samsung claims the watch can last up to 5 days on a single charge with normal usage, which is impressive for such a powerful smartwatch. Fast wireless charging makes it even more convenient, allowing users to quickly power up before heading out. One of the coolest additions is the upgraded smart ecosystem integration. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 works perfectly with Samsung smartphones, tablets, earbuds, and smart home devices. You can control your music, answer calls, unlock devices, and even manage smart appliances directly from your wrist. It feels like having a mini futuristic control center attached to your hand. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is not just a smartwatch, it's a glimpse into the future of wearable technology. With premium design, insane performance, powerful AI features, long battery life, and advanced health tracking, Samsung has once again proven why it dominates the smartwatch market. If you're planning to upgrade your wearable tech in 2027, this might easily be one of the best smartwatches money can buy. Welcome to the future with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2.